Hi there, I'm Alexi and Ari's dad. We just bought a green screen and tried it out over the weekend. In this video, you'll see what special effects we made with the green screen and what we learned. A green screen is a giant green sheet that is used to make special effects in videos. Green screening is also called chroma keying. Here's how chroma keying works. First, you shoot a video in front of a green screen. Then, you put the video on your computer. Choose a picture or video to replace the green screen. The computer puts the picture or video you chose on the green screen and you have your special effect. Green screens are used a lot in movies and even in the news to give weather reports. One thing to remember is not to wear green in front of a green screen. The computer can't tell the difference and will also replace the green from your clothes. Even though it's called a green screen, any color can be used to chroma key. But green and blue are mostly used because people's skin color isn't close to green or blue at all. Before we show you the 3 different videos we made using our green screen, here are some things we learned in case you decide to try green screening yourself. Tip number 1, lighting is important. Before you record anything, make sure the green screen is well lit with even light. You don't want dark spots on some parts of your green screen. Then use different lights to light the subject standing in front of the green screen. A subject is a person or thing that you are taking a video of with your camera. Also remember to light the subject with the same lighting as the background that you put on the green screen. Here's an example of a subject who doesn't have a lot of light on her. If we put her in front of a bright background, it doesn't look very real. Here we put her in front of a darker background so it looks better. Tip number 2, stand away from the green screen. The second tip is to stand a little bit away from the screen so you don't make shadows. If there are shadows, they may show up in your video. If there is too much light on the green screen or the subject is too close to the screen, you may get a green glow around the subject. This is called spill. So remember to not stand too close to the screen. Tip number 3, use a tripod. A tripod is a stand that can hold your camera still. This keeps your video from looking too shaky. When you take your video, also make sure the subject is in the middle of the green screen and you do not see anything outside the green screen. Okay. Now let's watch the 3 videos we made. Here, Alexi and Ari magically make the bubble machine float. Do you notice anything strange here? To make this special effect, we took 2 green screen videos. One of me dangling the floating bubble machine and another of Ari and Alexi doing their magic fingers. You can tell they aren't really looking at the floating bubble machine. We realized we could have just taken one video so Alexi and Ari would know where to look. The lighting on Alexi and Ari is also coming from the left when the light in the painting is coming from the right. And if you look carefully, you can actually see the string. Maybe we could have used a very thin string or tried a green string. We just know this didn't work. But we learned a lot from these mistakes, and it was still a lot of fun to make. In this video, the kids are flying in their car. We took this green screen video of Alexi and Ari inside, so you can see lights shining on the car. But if they were really outside, you wouldn't see these glares. Next time we use a green screen video that takes place outside, we'll also shoot our video outside so the lighting matches. Another problem with this video is that you can see some spill on Alexi's shoulder. Remember, spill is the green glow. This was probably because we were too close to the green screen. This video turned out okay, but next time we'll pay more attention to the lighting. For our last special effect, we shot 2 green screen videos. One of Alexi looking up and waving, and one of Ari looking down and waving. Then we made Alexi's video very small and pasted her onto Ari's video. To add an extra effect, we used the computer to help us make the video black and white with old film-style movie lines. This was our favorite video. We thought it turned out pretty nice. Hope you enjoyed seeing our green screen experiments. Thank you for watching.
Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe.